everyone, today we're going to be doing a new 15-minute vocal warm-up. I like to mix in exercises we've done before with new warm-ups, so let me know in the comments what some of your favorites are. Now, it's a good idea to start any vocal warm-up with a few moments of focus and breathing. Check in on your alignment, breathe in slowly and naturally, and release any tension that doesn't serve you. Let's start with an easy coo. We'll sing on coo. Think about a round vocal tract and very easy vocal production. Here we go. Coo. Now let's just sing on a free-form lick trill. Start in the middle of your range and extend up and down from there. Feel free to move to an yee or an ah. Ah. Moving now to a simple 5-note descending scale, let's sing on ha, ma, 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 ma. Here we go. Ha, ma, 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 ma. We're going to sing E-A, like E-A. Be okay with the brightness that this exercise brings in. Here we go. E-A, Let's bring it down on yaw, 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 like yaw, yaw, yaw. Here we go. major arpeggio triad on an NG sound, like in the word sing. Keep the jaw slack, and it's great if the mouth hangs open a little bit, like here we go. Bring in a great exercise to work on easy, consistent breath, as well as gentle movement between vowels. We will sing this on hee-haw, and it sounds like this. So let's do 4 cycles. Here we go. Let's use the sound to engage the voice while keeping things relaxed. We will sing mum 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 on the following pattern. Mum 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 mum. Here we go. Mum 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 mum. Mum 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 mum. Mum 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 mum. Mum 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 mum. Now we will sing on g, g, g. This allows for a neutral floating larynx as well as a whole lot of coordination practice. Here's the pattern. G, 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 g. Here we go. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. This next exercise will allow for some flexibility and breath coordination. We will sing on si, say, saw. Si, say, saw. Here's the pattern. Si, say, saw. Here we go. Si, say, saw. Si, say, saw. sing on nay, 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 like nay, 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 nay. It is okay if this feels a little brighter than your ideal finished product as we build efficiency and focus into our sound. Also, allow for an easy swinging jaw that doesn't overextend. Nay, 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 nay. Here we go. Nay, 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 nay. 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 Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay Here's a great exercise for working on interval accuracy and flexibility. We're going to sing on the A sound, and the pattern is this. Here we go. And finally, let's move to a very open octave arpeggio while we sing mi ah. So we will sing mi ah. Here we go. Mi ah. Mi ah. Mi ah. Mi and a big sigh down. Thank you so much for joining me for this 15-minute vocal warm-up. I hope your voice is feeling ready to go. If you like my videos, I hope you'll give it a like and subscribe and share. I will see you next time. Well, now you join me. Bye.